Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a makeup tutorial for you all, as well as a chit chat kind of get ready with me video. I am currently filming in our new apartment and it is very empty right now. So we don't have a couch, so it's very echoey. So I apologize. Hopefully that's not too annoying for you guys. But yeah, I'm filming in the new apartment for the first time. Hopefully the lighting's okay for this tutorial. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys like another life update through this video, but I also want to let you guys know that there is a giveaway that comes with this video. So stay tuned. During the video, I will tell you the rules of the giveaway. So let's get started. What, you want to be on camera? Come here. Before I get started doing the makeup, I will introduce you to a family member that you guys have not met yet. Come here. This is our kitty. This is Juniper. She's a very pretty kitty. She does not like being held like this. This is Sean's baby. But her and I are getting used to each other. She sheds like crazy. So yeah, she's been here at the apartment with us while we've been moving and stuff. Ruger has met it at my parents' house, but he will eventually be coming down here with us as well. So my last get ready with me, which was the one where I was talking about dealing with grief and all the crazy stuff going on, some stuff has changed. I got a job, which is great. Like the next day I heard back from a place that I had applied to. This is just getting really messy really fast. So I'm now working and I really like the environment. The people are really chill. I get to cook. Like it's a lot of fun to work there. It's a deli and yeah, I get to make sandwiches and sides for people and just do a whole bunch of different stuff that I wasn't able to do at my other job. That's happened, and then a lot of people reached out to me after my How to Be More Confident video went up, and they felt just like, I think it's the most connected I've felt to like my followers and my subscribers and stuff. Like so many people were telling me about their experiences and you know how this video inspired them. I'll link it up above somewhere so you guys can see it if you haven't already. But it felt really nice to kind of have that sense of community with people and hear their stories and how they overcame like certain personal issues and stuff like that. So it was cool. And I mean, people I haven't talked to in years were sending me stuff, and it was just really cool to reconnect with some people and talk about, you know, self-image and self-worth and how to make yourself just feel better on your own without another person having to tell you these things. I think right now, content that brings us together and has a meaning is so very important versus stuff that's just filled with the drama and hate and, you know, all different kinds of just craziness. Because there's been so much on YouTube lately. Not that it's invalid, like I don't think some of it's drama. Some of it definitely is, but other parts of it are just, you know, serious issues that should have been dealt with a long time ago. Things have been definitely getting better since my last tutorial. I've just been kind of planning for other videos. Like I actually storyboarded a video the other day, so you know it's gonna be a little bit more intense. And I was hoping to get that project up this month, but I'm really not sure that's gonna happen, especially with my new job. So it might not come till next month. It might get filmed this month, but it's definitely not coming till next month. So I'm very excited for this big project. I think I'm gonna need like a team of people to do it. And I'm not, you know, I'm not gonna, I don't really have anyone that I could hire for it. Like there's not, it's not like LA where, you know, there's video people left, right, and center that you could hire to do it. So, I mean, I do have friends who can do it, so I might, you know, freelance some of the work out to them, and also, you know, get my friends to kind of help me with camera and shooting and just getting equipment from place to place. And, just, you know, getting the shots I want. Hi, kitty. This look is going to be far uglier before it gets to be how I wanted. Like, these colors are not the easiest to work with, but I had a vision and I want to bring it to light. I miss like Halloween makeup right now because it gives me such a sense of purpose in October to do 31 days of Halloween, or you know, any sort of Halloween stuff, just because it's like every day I wake up and there's something for me to do. And having a job now, I mean, it's nice to have that, but you know, for a while there it was kind of like, well, I wake up and I do nothing. And now I got something, so that's cool. Before I get too much deeper into this video, let's talk about the giveaway. This was gonna be my 500 subscriber giveaway, but we're still really far ways away from that, and I have this stuff, and I think I just want to give it to you guys. So, the things I am giving away are this 16-ounce stainless steel tumbler, which I'm going to customize for the winner. So if you are someone who wins and you like sunflowers, I'm going to paint sunflowers on it. If you want something Disney on it, I will put something Disney on it. It's a water bottle we got with, like, I think we bought our car, and we've never used it, and it seems like a waste to just get rid of it. So right now it is just plain black. It has some writing on it, but I'm gonna paint over that with the customization. So yeah, it's just a lock. It's got a lock on it and stuff like that. So it's 16 ounces. It does hot and cold. So the winner will get this, as well as this fitness tracker. This is an iFit fitness tracker. You can pair it to your phone. It does calories, steps. It tracks your sleep and everything too. So you will get these, and they come in black, this color, which they call Biscay, Sangria, and Plum. So there are those. And this can be a good gift for someone. So if you win it, it can be a gift. So I'm gonna give this away. So it's gonna be like a little fitness duo, a water bottle and a fitness tracker. So in order to enter, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, of course. Leave me a comment down below letting me know that you want to be entered and what you would want on the water bottle if you won. And that's it. I'm gonna make it real easy on you guys. If you want an extra entry, as always, you can go follow me on Instagram. It's linked down below. And just let me know you follow me on Instagram with your username in your comment, letting me know that you entered. All of this I will leave in the description as well, but that is what we're gonna do. So yeah, enter, make sure you follow all the rules, and I will pull the winner on, we'll say, July 24th. So you have like 2 weeks to enter this. So yeah, go ahead, enter, and good luck. So I popped on my lashes, and I feel like it covered up all of my mistakes on my eyes, so that is encouraging. So I'm just gonna do my foundation now. I feel like it's been forever since I did makeup, but I just did something. Like, it's weird. It feels like a billion years has gone by since I posted a video, but it also feels like I just posted it and shouldn't have to be posting a new one already. Like, it's crazy. I'm doing a sparse eyebrow today because I am gonna put on a purple wig, and I feel like it just looks really weird when I have a bold, dark brow and a really, really light pastel wig. I actually styled this wig, and it's not perfect, but I think it definitely looks better than when it was just plain. So hopefully you guys will agree. Use a tiny brush for this because I don't know, I'm loving this idea of this combo of this bright turquoise and copper, but like just on the inside of the lid. Overall right now, things are kind of falling into place, and I have a bunch of really fun videos planned. Like this week, I'm gonna be doing another Disney inspired, like Disney bounding lookbook kind of thing. People seem to really like the other one I did, and I had a lot of fun doing it. So now that I have a lot of space that I can kind of play around with different stuff in editing and just room to move around and get some different angles for you guys. I think I'm gonna do a bunch of other characters, which is exciting. I know a lot of people are not excited that Disney is open again because of the virus, and I'm honestly surprised they are, but you know, the Floridian government is letting them open, and some stuff in Disneyland can open, so I don't know. I'm not gonna be going anytime soon, put it that way. A lot of things are figured out. A lot of people are just not gonna go, and that's totally fine. Like, you have to think of your safety first. Stick highlight today with this next one. All right, I think for lips with this, I'm gonna go with like a corally nude. So I'm just gonna fill in my lips with a nude pencil. And this is Naked Coral, I think. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Naked Coral from Maybelline. Take a little bit of this orangey shade and put it under my lower lash line here before I put my wig on. It just feels like really disconnected for some reason. All right, so this is the finished look with the wig on. I did kind of like a braided thing, so I will turn to show you guys. It's hard with this wig to style it in any sort of way other than like a ponytail, but even then you can see the tracks show quite a bit, and the ear tabs are really weird. Like, you almost have to pull it all the way to here, and then it comes up on this side, and then pull it all the way to here, and I have it on the last notch of the strap, so I think I'm gonna have to like actually glue this one down to get a realistic sort of look, but it's a really thin, cheap wig. It's just good for stuff like this. So this is the back. I just did a bunch of braids and then braided them together, so really simple. But yeah, this is the finished look. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you did, leave me a like down below, and make sure you enter my giveaway for the fitness tracker and for the customized metal water bottle. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.